Hi everybody, it's Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about yellow squash, and I have a list of different foods broken into different categories that are known to pair well with yellow squash. So if you're looking for some new recipe or meal ideas using yellow squash, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, and that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have bacon, beans of all sorts in general, but especially cannellini beans and white beans. And then there's chicken, eggs, roasted or grilled meats, pine nuts, seafood, sunflower seeds, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, other vegetables that pair well with yellow squash include arugula, bell peppers, carrots, chard, chilies, chives, eggplant, escarole, greens such as the bitter greens like kale, mustard greens, turnip greens like that, onions, scallions, shallots, tomatoes, tomato sauce, mushrooms, and root vegetables in general. In the fruits category, there's lemons and olives. In the grains and grain products category, there's breadcrumbs, bulgur, corn, pasta, rice, and wheat. In the dairy and non-dairy food products category, there's butter, cheese, especially feta cheese, goat, mozzarella, parmesan, pecorino, provolone, ricotta, and Swiss cheeses. I guess just about any kind of cheese you want. And also yogurt. In the other foods category, there's mustard, oil, especially olive oil, vinegar of pretty much any type, but especially balsamic vinegar, cider vinegar, red wine, rice wine, white wine vinegars, and then zucchini blossoms. I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas for using yellow squash. Take care and bye for now.